Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on US Highway 11E in Greene County, Tennessee. We begin in an unincorporated area at mile 74. We're on a nice divided 4-lane highway, and we're sharing roadway with US Highway 321 as well as State Route 34. US 321 is unique in that it has two southern termini. The 517-mile hook-shaped highway is a double spur of US 21, meaning that it doesn't start or end at US 21 but runs concurrent with it for about 13 miles in South Carolina. The route intersects both US 70 and I-40 three separate times, and this is the second appearance of US 321 along the US 11 corridor. The highway functions as a scenic route in Tennessee, a major highway in North Carolina, and an alternative to interstates in South Carolina. US 11E is locally named Andrew Johnson Highway here. At Jockey Creek, we enter Washington County, Tennessee's oldest county, established in 1777 when the area was still part of North Carolina. Washington County had a population of 133,001 as of the 2020 census. We enter the town of Jonesboro, and the local name of US 11E becomes Jackson Boulevard. Jonesboro is the county seat of Washington County and had a population of 5,860 as of the 2020 census. The town was named for North Carolina legislator Willie Jones, who had supported the state's westward expansion across the Appalachian Mountains. Jonesboro pulls in visitors keen on heritage experiences because it holds the title for being the state's oldest town and boasts a well-preserved historic appearance due to efforts in local historic conservation. The town's museum showcases its heritage tied to small-scale tobacco farming, and one of its prominent historic buildings, the Chester Inn, constructed in 1797, still graces the downtown area. Recognized for its historical significance, the Jonesboro Historic District was added to the National Register of Historic Places back in 1969. Even the town's oldest surviving building, the Christopher Taylor House, built in 1777, found a new home within this district after being relocated from its original location outside the town limits. Jonesboro also hosts the International Storytelling Center, famous for its annual National Storytelling Festival held every October. This celebration builds upon the storytelling tradition rooted in Appalachian culture, drawing crowds from across the globe for over 35 years. The festival sets up large tents in various parks where storytellers captivate audiences on stages or at the main tent. Sometimes the performances get briefly interrupted by passing trains from the Norfolk Southern Railway. Interestingly, this festival sparked the creation of a successful storytelling graduate degree program at East Tennessee State University nearby. Legend has it that the ghost of Andrew Jackson occasionally appears near the aforementioned Christopher Taylor House, where he stayed in 1788 while awaiting a caravan. Note here, a rare specimen of a 1994 Saturn SL still rolls along the highway here in front of us. My first brand new car was identical to this, down to the color, which I believe was called medium red metallic. That car would be an antique today had it lasted me more than 3 years. They've become quite rare in the wild, and I'm pretty sure this is the first time in nearly 8 years of filming road cam videos that we've captured one on video. We conclude today's video as we leave Jonesboro at mile 92. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.